Hi, it's Russell from Voice Recognition Australia, full stop. New paragraph. Dragon Professional Anywhere and Dragon Anywhere Mobile are now available in Australia, full stop. New paragraph. Cloud technology has significant implications for users of speech recognition, full stop. I'm now dictating directly using the new Dragon Professional Anywhere into this Word document, so you can see it working as I demonstrate the new capabilities of this cloud-based technology, full stop. New paragraph. Dragon Professional Anywhere is the most accurate and advanced speech recognition system in the world and delivers instant results, full stop. And you don't need a fast internet connection, full stop. New paragraph. This is truly next generation state-of-the-art speech recognition technology, full stop. And it's available right now, full stop. You can see that I'm getting excellent speed and responsiveness from Dragon Professional Anywhere Cloud, full stop. You don't need a fast internet connection and you don't need a powerful computer, full stop. This new system works perfectly with server-based resources such as Citrix or other thin clients, full stop. New paragraph. So if you have an enterprise requirement or work with a large organization, then we can scale this system up from 1 or 2 users to hundreds really easily, full stop. New paragraph. There's a powerful Dragon Professional Anywhere cloud server based in Melbourne, which is doing all of the heavy lifting, full stop. So that's a big plus, full stop. New paragraph. Deployment is quite simple because there is only a small installer which can go on your server or on your local PCs, full stop. So it only takes a few seconds to get a new user up and running, full stop. And importantly, you can install Dragon Professional Anywhere on as many computers as you need, full stop. The licensing is per person, not per computer, full stop. New paragraph. Each user has their own specific login which allows them to draw down upon their own specific vocabulary and their acoustic model, full stop. This makes it much more flexible and easier to use than previous editions of Dragon, full stop. Dragon Professional Anywhere and Dragon Anywhere Mobile have an auto text capability which greatly shortcuts the amount of time required to create reports, full stop. I'll demonstrate this now, full stop. Select all. Delete that. Property report. So you can see it's quickly generated this template which I've preset as part of my auto text. Now we can show you how to do this during training, but it's very straightforward. Go into manage auto text, and what you've got here is your data fields that you want to enter and the text you want to enter, and it generates it when you give it the verbal command. Now I can jump through these fields by pressing a button on my PowerMic 3, or if you're using another microphone you can do it verbally. I'll demonstrate that now. 21/03/21 A12379 Russell. So I use my microphone buttons then, but now I'll use a verbal command. Next field. 16 Smith Street, Brisbane, 4000. Next field. $500,000 to $600,000. Small but functional. Next field. You get the idea. I can jump between the fields using the special button if you've got the PowerMic 3, or you can just do it verbally. This also works on your phone. So you can see how you can really quickly create a report. Accept defaults. So it cleared all the defaults, which were the square brackets, allowing me now to copy and paste this into an email or just save it as a Word document. So now I'll demonstrate the mobile app. So now I'm demonstrating the Dragon Anywhere application on my smartphone. This is an Android Samsung phone, so you can also use it on iPhone. I'll launch the app and I can just start dictating just like I can on the desktop. I'm now dictating directly into the Dragon Anywhere mobile application, full stop. This is a very useful application if you are away from the office or in the field, full stop. Dragon Anywhere allows you to access your acoustic profile and your complete vocabulary from your desktop. Dragon Professional Anywhere, full stop. New paragraph. It also allows you to access your template files so that you can quickly create reports, full stop. Correct files. Choose one. That was a simple verbal correction which you could make when you are away from a keyboard just using your phone, full stop. This improves the accuracy of the program over time, full stop. I'll now demonstrate a template, full stop. Property report. 14/4/21. Next field. A172943. Next field. Russell. Now I can also move fields by pressing the arrow buttons on my phone, which is really handy, though it's not difficult to say next field, but I just wanted to show you that capability. 27 John Street, Brisbane 4000. Next field. $650,000 to $680,000. Next field. Recently modernised. Next field. Attached to the kitchen via open plan. And you get the idea. You can quickly generate the same sorts of reports you had on your desktop, and then you can simply use the sharing features of your phone to share them with a colleague or email them or put it in OneDrive or Dropbox, whatever you like. Very effective and fast.